Hey everybody, here's yet another part system. It's another Compaq Presario. This one is based on an AMD Athlon 64 CPU. Here's how much I paid for it. It was 20 bucks, marked down from 30. There's a look at the original specs. Currently has 512 megs of memory in it. The CPUs are 2.4 gig. Athlon 64 3800 plus. It still has its LightScribe DVD drive in it, as you can see here. Has a card reader. Let's go ahead and look at the back. Has the 300 watt Hyper power supply that's actually capable of doing 350 watts. There's a look at all the connections, like on the shield plate. Your PS2, your digital audio, VGA out, 4 USB, a Firewire, Ethernet, and what appears to be probably 7.1 channel audio or something like that. Good audio. Go ahead and take the cover loose, have a look inside. Can't do it with one hand very easily. Now, got a little screw in here. Knew we heard something. Anyways, this is a socket 939 system, so it uses DDR memory. Currently has 512 megs of memory in it right now. It'll take up to 4 gigs. This one has NVIDIA graphics. And again, there's that Hyper power supply. Wouldn't surprise me if there was some bad capacitors in there somewhere. Anyways, there's a look at the spec label. Definitely not a bad power supply. Some of these power supplies just have issues with the capacitors going bad because they use TPO brand capacitors. But other than that, they're good to go. So that being said, let's go and plug it up and test it. I already got plugged in. It's going to fire it up. Going to the BIOS. And here's a look at the setup utility. And again, you know, it's an OEM machine, so there's not a whole lot in here in terms of like really customizing your CPU or that kind of stuff. But you have all your basic controls for your devices and everything. Here's a hardware monitor. And what's funny is with these particular HP motherboards, the A8N-LAs, their CPU temperature monitors tend to be very inaccurate. They actually read much hotter than what the CPU actually runs at. Then again, at the same time, it's kind of a benefit because it'll speed up the fans a lot quicker because of this. So that's one thing I do like. There's no hard drive installed, so it's just a CD drive, or DVD drive, which the computer is seeing that. The date and time is not correct. It's off by a couple hours. So I need to go ahead and fix that. So not too bad. This is another machine I can actually install a hard drive to get some more memory and refurbish and sell. So anyways, this yet another parts computer. And what's surprising is this one here come to me in clean condition. It wasn't dirty. That other Compaq I recently worked on, well, got in as a parts machine, was filthy. And I made a video of cleaning it out today. It was, like I said, it was pretty filthy. So anyways, any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.